Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2 human system, and today's topic is parts of alimentary canal. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2 human system, and today's topic is parts of alimentary canal. Students, in previous online class we studied mouth and buccal cavity, and today I start first part is pharynx. Students, it is a part of alimentary canal. First of all, it is a part of alimentary canal. Next is location or position of pharynx is between buccal cavity and esophagus, between buccal cavity and esophagus. Next is parts of human pharynx. Mostly three parts. First is nasopharynx. It means human nose sensory organs open in pharynx. It is called nasopharynx. Next is oropharynx. It means oral part. It means buccal cavity part open in pharynx part. Next is hypopharynx. It means larynx part open in pharynx. Nose part open in pharynx. Buccal cavity or oral part, it means mouth part open in pharynx. Next, larynx part open in pharynx. Next part is, it is second, third. Esophagus. It is a part of alimentary canal. First and second, it is a narrow muscular tube. Next is length of esophagus is about 25 centimeter long. Next is alimentary canal esophagus part. Esophagus to have mucus gland and muscles. It means tumor like structures to secrete gum like substance. Mucus gland to secrete mucus. So food, so human food become slimy and sticky. Next is muscles. Muscles to show a specific peristalsis movement. Students, this movement complete a specific sequence. It means sequence after sequence. Next, is a flap made up of special tissues is present at the top or interior of esophagus. This flap is called epiglottis. Next is function of epiglottis. Students, epiglottis, it is a special tissue at the time of swallow of food, the epiglottis closes and prevent food from entering the trachea part. From the entering the trachea part. Trachea related to respiratory system. So third part of alimentary canal is esophagus. Students, it is a narrow muscular tube like structures, length approximately 25 centimeters. Next, esophagus to have mucus glands and muscles. Mucus gland to secrete mucus, so human food becomes slimy and sticky. Next, muscles to show peristaltic movement, so food to pass next organ like stomach. Next, a flap made up a special tissue present on anterior part, top part of esophagus. It is called epiglottis. Next part is stomach. Next is stomach. Students, it is a part of alimentary canal. First is, I draw a figure of stomach part. First is esophagus. It is a narrow tube-like structures. This part is stomach. This part is sphincter. This part is sphincter. And this part is sphincter. It means barrier it means barrier. Figure of stomach. First part is cardiac, next is fundus, third is pyloric part. It means three parts of human stomach. First cardiac, second fundus or fundic, third is pyloric, and two sphincter. First is nearby esophagus, second is nearby small intestine. It is a first part of small intestine is duodenum. So this sphincter is called cardiac sphincter because it is near to cardiac part of stomach. This sphincter, this barrier is called pyloric barrier or pyloric sphincter because it is located near to pyloric part of stomach. First is shape of stomach is J shape. Muscular organ or muscular structure. Second is location or position of stomach. Students, this part is stomach located between esophagus and duodenum. Located between esophagus and small intestine, duodenum part. Second is location or position. Next is capacity of stomach is 3 liter or about 3 liter. Next is parts of stomach. Mostly 3 parts, but according to 12th NCERT book, 4 parts. 4 part is body. First is cardiac, fundic and fundus, second, third pyloric, fourth is body. But according to class 10th RBSC book, mostly 3 parts. First is cardiac, part, second is fundus part, third is pyloric part. It is the larger left portion of stomach. Once again, it is a larger left part or larger left portion of stomach. Seconds, cardiac part, esophagus part. Once again, esophagus part, it is a part of alimentary canal. Open or enter in cardiac part. Next, fundus. It is mid part of stomach. Next, second is this portion located between cardiac and pyloric part. Third is pyloric. It is smaller. It is smaller right portion of stomach. Second is next is inspector of stomach. Inspector of stomach. Mostly to inspector, it means barrier of stomach. First is cardiac, located near to esophagus part. Second is pyloric sphincter, located near to pyloric part and located between pyloric and duodenum part. This sphincter located between esophagus and stomach part. First is cardiac sphincter. Once again, mostly two sphincter are located in stomach part. This divides the pharynx and the stomach part. Next, function of cardiac sphincter is do not allow the movement of acidic food from the stomach back to the esophagus part. Next sphincter is pyloric barrier or pyloric sphincter. This divides the stomach and duodenum part. Next is function of pyloric sphincter is controls the movement of food from stomach to the small intestine. So students, today we studied pharynx part, esophagus part, and next stomach part. So thanks, have a nice